Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Pretty cool design, like I don't know if you'd call it an embellished button, but really pretty easy. Just draw an ellipse, Control D and make a duplicate, holding down the Shift key so it'll grow from the inside. And then take your Smart Fill tool. Let's use, I like that blue. So I'm filling in both of them. Now I'm going to go ahead and take away the outline by left clicking no fill. And I'm going to select the outside color and I'm going to go to interactive fill tool and I'm going to swipe up and I'm going to put, that really looks pretty good itself, but let's put a little black in it and then do it like here so it's not so much. And then select the inside one and do just the opposite. So it looks like it's sort of a shadow effect. And of course you could do that with any color and you could change the color right now. You could make it, yellow never really looks very good, but I'm going to go ahead and do both of them in yellow just to see. And whoop, I hit outside the button. You've got to hit right on there. That didn't look too bad. Anyway, it kind of gives it an effect that it's recessed. That's what I'm going to call this, a recessed button. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.